Everybody that I know,
Yeah, they down with this, cause they down with this.
E te iwi, e te ti, e te tā, nau mai ki te aki tua Rotorua. Orongo, how are your emotions today?
Oh, I'm ready. Kia ora everyone, my name's Max. No waihi ho. Just really happy to be here and excited to see how the boys perform today.
But some young, exciting players in there still.
Oh, and you know, it is also the first Super 8 game of the year. The boys are definitely hungry to be in there, and both kutas trying to go for that dub.
Aye. Oh. No mai whiti, a Solomone mai lulu, pai tana hikina. Ai. Ana ia hieke Magavi. Pai tana hiki. Oi! Kia tau, going beyond the 90. Kia te, oh! He whiro te kāri. That's the end of the game.
Hold out tough.
He had been playing well to that point. Galway Fiuatu, who's he going to throw to? Hutchings with the steal, but it wasn't secured. Pai te hikina Kupita, good strong carry there by Kupita, the tight head prop here for Tauranga Moana. Te Paumua. Oh, pai te rutu. Tyler Phillips, who got a man down. Try again there to TBC. He piro anō. Return against Hamilton Boys High School. Ai, pai te... Pai te rutu a Solomone mai lulu. Let's watch this defense from Tauranga Boys, which has been resolute at the first, during the first and early into the second stanza.
Yes!
We have a try there. Scored by Rotorua. Pai te kitu a Rotorua with good strong line defense. Strong run there by Kopita after that bruising tackle on number 7, Jake Hutchings. Oh, Rasmussen beaten on the edge there by number 14.
It's happening right on that try line. Can hardly see what's going on. He's a good young fella, that one.
Kapai there into the halfback position, taking over from Spicer, who's been impressive all day. Again, big shoes for those halfbacks to fill in the absence of Charlie Sinton. Pai te whiu, Jacob Bidwa, good throw there. And that's full time here at Te Aki Tua Rotorua, where Tauranga Boys College have come out victorious against hosts Rotorua Boys High School, 29 points to 14.
everybody that I know,
Yeah, they down with this, cause they down with this.